Hi there, welcome to the channel. My name's Carmen. I got an awesome haul from the Hobby Lobby for journaling, or you could use a lot of these items for scrapbooking or other paper crafts. I'm going to go through everything that I got and talk about each item. I'm going to start out with the tools part of the haul. I got a pair of crafting scissors. This has the scalloped edge, almost like little ocean waves. This was $1.97. I've definitely been needing this because what I would like to use it for, there's no telling what I'll end up using it for, but in my journal, I want to be able to cut out pieces of paper. I found a great old typewriter font. I don't actually have a typewriter, but I found a great font so I can cut out little bubbles, so to speak, with different typewriter text to put labels on things or document things that happen. I thought that would be a fun idea. And then this is actually a metal crafting ruler. I have a yard long. This one is 1 foot or 30 centimeters. And it even has some conversion table on the back. But the important part about these crafting rulers, if you will, if you don't have one, they are heavy metal and you can get some really great straight edges. And also they don't slide around. This still has the wrapping paper. This was $1.99. And so it's a really good price on that. It's one of the best prices. All of these items were incredibly great prices at Hobby Lobby. I was really, really impressed. And then I've been needing a fine point journaling pen, and a lot of them are pretty expensive. And this is archival ink. So this is pretty impressive. And this was, again, only $1.99. Now this is not the refillable type that I can tell. I'm sure it's not for $1.99, but I'm still pretty impressed for archival ink. And I needed something that I can write on things that are a little bit, slick, and this should work on that. So I was pretty, again, impressed with the price on that. Next up is some Peanuts Gang encouragement notes. Everyone needs encouragement. And if you think, well, this isn't journal related, for me, it probably will be because there's so many great images on this. It's almost like a notepad, but I think the intention is that you send notes to your friends, like when they need a little pick-me-up or when there's something going on. But what's neat is on the other side, it's a notepad, and so you could use it either direction, but I like these images and even the words for things in my journal. And then, like I said, this would be a great notepad. Each page, I think there's 32, let me make sure, yep, 32 pages. Each page is perforated, and they are just so cute. And just to let you know, whichever way, yeah, here's an example. Some of them do have Bible verses attached, but not all of them do. Some do, some don't. So if you're looking for something to actually give notes to people, some of these, would be good for work. Some would be better for family and friends. Totally up to you, but I will probably use most of them in my journal. I just really love them. I thought they were so cute, and I even like the other side. This was $5.99, so that was a little bit of a splurge. And then I did get a few different stamps, wooden stamps, and these were different prices. This is $1.79, and that is, hopefully that will focus on that. That is a starfish, and I live at the beach. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So glad to have you here. I live at the beach, so I like the beach theme of the starfish. And then I really love this fir tree. I mean, you could use it any season. It's $2.49, but I especially am going to enjoy that in the winter or the Christmas season, which I know, we're moving into different time of the year now, but I will absolutely use that. And then I love cats. Again, if you're new to the channel, you will come to see that. I have a lot of cat items, love cats, and so this is adorable. And what I really like about all of these, you get a lot of wooden stamps, and they will have all these colors on them, which I know is possible with a little work, but that's not typically how you stamp. What I liked about these is they show a single color. So single green, single, I don't know if that's pink or beige, and then single black, and it is actually solid. The design is solid of the cat. So I really love this, the black cat design on that. So I thought those were really great. So again, in case I didn't say, the cat's $2.29, the tree's $2.49, and I think I said this one's $1.79. And then I have a sticker book where you have the pieces of paper that you can stick the stickers on, pull the stickers back off, and go back and forth. And I need tab dividers for the sticker book. And what I loved about these are $2.99 for each pack. And it comes with 12 different, and they have different colors, different designs, tabs, and then you can write on the tab. I need a way to be able to section out my sticker book. So example, to get to holiday stickers, birthday stickers, different themes. I have a bunch of Pusheen stickers. I have a bunch of Snoopy stickers, just so I can quickly flip to the ones that I want when I'm journaling. But clearly you could use this for all different types of things. But what I like is these are adhesive. So in my sticker book, I'll be able to move them around. I can stick them on and I can pick them up and move them later since it's a sticker book. So I thought those were really great. And then I have a washi tape extravaganza here. These prices to me are pretty amazing. I'm just going to grab these at random, so they're not going to be in any particular theme. These are clearly sort of USA patriotic, not necessarily, but that's what it reminds me of. So I'll be using these like Memorial Day, 4th of July. This was $2.99. And by the way, Hobby Lobby does have sales. And like this particular week, they were having 40% off anything with the Paper Studio. I mean, I shouldn't say everything, but most of the things that had the Paper Studio. So that was a really good deal. So it was actually 40% off the $2.99. And then these three are, oh, and that's the other thing I should mention. Their washi tape, each one is 20 yards. So you can see how thick this is. A lot of the ones that you buy online, in fact, let me show you one. I'll just pull another one out at random. I'm not picking on anyone. I don't even know which set this came from. I just want to show you, this is a brand new roll I have not used. I just want to show you the comparison here. 20 yards is really, really great for washi tape. And so this is a 3-piece set for $2.99, and these are 10 yards each. So I guess they're not all the same. Oh, sorry, and these, I believe these are 10 each. Yes, these are 10 each also. So they are the same. It's just this is 20 because there's 2 and this is 30 because there's 3. Either way, as you can see, it's a lot of washi tape compared to a typical roll. These are a really cute Christmas theme, and I love the color. I like the pink added in with these and the light blue in this one. This is, again, $2.99. These are all $2.99. And again, the thick 10-yard rolls here. And this next one is cute for any time of the year, but spring or summer, strawberry season's coming up. $2.99, and you've got this really cute sort of plaid design as well. Again, 10 yards each, so a total of 20 yards. Like I said, it's a washi tape extravaganza. I love washi tape. I have a washi tape addiction. Let me know if you do too in the comments. And by the way, if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you'd like to see more journaling videos, whether it's a haul video, a shopping video, but also journaling, journal with me videos, definitely click that subscribe button so you won't miss anything new. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like or a thumbs up. That helps other people find the video, so I greatly appreciate that. That really helps me out. Again, I love the pinks in this. This is another Christmas set, $2.99. This is 30 yards this time because it's 10 yards each. The thick rolls here, you've got gingerbread men, Santa Claus, and also candy canes. And then I am a big reader. I don't know if you are. Leave me a comment if you are. I love this. This is so thick. This is really, really wide. This is over an inch wide, which is very, like, just to give you a comparison, I would say actually this is a little wider than usual too, but this is closer to, again, I'll grab that other roll just for, I feel like this is a pretty average width for washi tape. So yeah, so this one is about, whoops, average width there. Got a little entertainment. Couldn't do that again if I tried. These are a little thinner, and then this is just huge for washi tape. I think this is amazing to make a border like on a reading journal. You could border all the way around the page. You could separate sections in the page if you wanted to. I just loved this. And again, $2.99, and this one is a total of 10 yards. It's another wide set of washi tape. I'm also going to include 2 bonus items. This is actually from a place called The Cozy Journal, and I was actually traveling and I happened to be in a location where The Cozy Journal is, but they also have an online store that I frequently shop from because I don't have one locally. And I picked up these 2 washi tapes, so I wanted to include them. It was on the same trip where I got this as well. So this one is so cute. I would unwrap it, but I wanted you to see, when you unwrap these, it takes this off as well. And I wanted you to see what it was called. It says it's 10 meters long, and this is like a mixed tape, so it's like 1980s cassette tapes. I'll unwrap this in just a moment and show you. This was $5.50 for this. And then this is something I cannot read. If you can, leave it in the comments below. And then it says Worldcraft. And I love this because it is a beach washi tape. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll unwrap it in just a moment. And this was $6.50, and it's called Beach Washi Tape. I just absolutely love this design, again, because I live at the beach. All right, so I'm going to take this off and open this up for you. You can see it more up close. This actually has a bit of a metallic. Some of this is metallic, some of it is not. So it gives just a beautiful design. This is really, really, to me, well done. Just beautiful for beach washi tape. And then this one actually is going to be much harder to open. I've actually opened theirs before that look like this, and it takes probably a pair of scissors. Got it started here, so we'll continue pulling this off. And of course, since I junk journal, I'm going to save all of this and use this in the journal. But I wanted to go ahead and show you this up close. I thought this was adorable. I love the 80s, and so I just couldn't resist this. Let me know in the comments if you had mixed tapes as well. If you'd like to see more journaling and journal supply videos, definitely click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.